Chat, what's good? How we doing, man? Welcome back. Welcome back to the streams. What's good? What's good? What's good? How we all doing? What's good? Crypto Maniac, Louis, what's good? Max, Loose, Abdullah, good morning. SCXT, Adam, good morning. Cool, chat, we're back. We're back. How we all doing? What's good? Victory Settings, Malinko, what's good? How's it going, chat? Whoa. Nice. Nice. So, chat, welcome back. It's Monday. Ready to get locked in. What's good, Katsaleen, man? What's good? What's good, Rentaro? Okay, chat, listen. Interesting start to this week already. What's good, Dylan? Good morning. Chat, yeah, new week. A lot of potential this week, but listen. Look how overextended we are right now. We're at all-time highs, of course. Need some structure to be made right now. Finishing the notes on your videos. Next step is getting into the coaching. Hey, let's go, Rentaro. You got this, man. I believe. Abdullah, what's good? Big week? Yeah, massive week. So, chat, let me do a breakdown real quick. Obviously, you know the weekly and the daily closed higher than ever. Ridiculously high up on the weekly and the daily. So, that being said, right, the weekly has opened up with a sort of top wick, to be honest. You come up no bottom wick, and you've started to push, which is interesting. Now, the 4-hour 2 has sort of, you know, grabbed the top wick and then it reflipped. So you're looking to close bearish there in the next, like, 1 hour and 17 minutes potentially. The 1 hour as well. Well, the 1 hour, actually, you closed no bottom wick on the previous, and then you've sort of come down first. So the 1 hour could potentially flip at any time. But what we're going to have to do today, chat, is we're going to have to drop down the time frames. We're going to have to drop down to probably the 30-minute, I'd say, and take a look for some closures based off of that. Now, I would say if I wanted to get sells right now, probably going to have to be below 25.78. 25.78, chat. That's insane to say. You tap 25.90 here, pretty much. But anyway, buys again, probably back above this area here. Yeah, 25.84.48. That looks good to me. Yeah, that looks good to me. And then obviously, if you did want to get buys even further, you'd wait till all-time high, right? 25.88. But realistically, I'm pretty sure we could take sells below 25.78. Doesn't seem to be a problem. These ranges are very big though, so you do have to be careful of that. Technically, you could say we close below a level here on the 30-minute, but I don't trust it too much, so I'm going to wait for the overall ranges. I want some more structure to print. Realistically, the best thing that could happen, and I know it's like not what we want today, but the best thing that could happen for us is that London ranges and New York ranges today, and we just end up, you know, creating structure. But I don't know if that's going to happen, so we'll see, chat, we'll see. But there's still a lot of potential today, right? I don't actually think we will range all day. But yeah, chat, that's the analysis. If you did enjoy it, make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you're new. But yeah, do we have any news today, chat? I'm pretty sure it's no news, right? Forex Factory. Yeah, no news today. Oh, see, okay. You got an Empire State Manufacturing Index later on at 1:30. That's an orange folder. I don't know if that used to be a red folder. I feel like it did. Anyway, you got a, what is that? A Chinese and a Japanese bank holiday. Yeah. These two right here. Chinese bank holiday, Japanese bank holiday as well. So it doesn't really affect us, but there you are. FXOTP was good, bro. Levi, what's up? High Life, morning, guys. Have a great, perfect week. Let's go. Hey, thank you, High Life. Appreciate it. But yeah, chat. How was everyone's weekend? What did you get up to? What did you guys get up to this weekend? Morning, bro. Did you have a good weekend? I'm busy as hell today. 2 men down at work. Good start to the week. Hey, you got this, Michael. You got to hold the fort. You got to hold the fort. Good shit. SG, I'm trading demo, but I already made 6% today. Do I see if I can get any other trades for the week or call it there? If you were trading a live account, I'd say call it there because 6% is crazy. But if you're trading demo, then just test stuff out. This is a big 1 hour candle. Like a 65 pip 1 hour candle. Very interesting. Hey, what's good, Baron? Welcome, man. Had a crazy weekend, W's all round. Hey, what'd you get up to, Noose? How big should my first funded account be? It depends. Just buy one that you can afford to lose. Whatever you can afford to lose, just do that. Ambro, already unloaded a wagon, been and done 2 deliveries. Now I'm just processing some orders in the office. I need to go print some poly. Shoot me. Bro, it's a busy day, but it's going to fly by. It's going to go quick because you're busy. Busy day is way better than a dead day, I think. You'll be home soon, man. You can get on the charts. But yeah, chat, listen. Remember, this week is going to be a very interesting one. We're at all-time high. You have to be very careful here. I'm not going to lie. This is a very difficult area to trade. Very, very difficult. So, that being said, right, you can either wait for the retracements or we wait for those retracements to happen and then we catch the push up. Either way, chat, you just have to understand and wait for your confirmations, wait for structure to be printed, and then you'll be good. Then you'll be good. Camera disappeared, bro. One sec, chat. Alright, man, we're back. 2 photo shoots, unplanned gym session, big plans for a brand I'm starting, new music, bonding with the boys, just a complete weekend, honestly. Good stuff, bro. Sounds like a huge weekend. What else did you guys do? What did everyone else do on the weekend? Hopefully you guys were either enjoying it or being productive. But chat, I got allocation for a new Rolex. Allocation, you know, it's pretty crazy considering they don't really allocate to many people. I don't know how I got it, to be honest. I really don't. I just kind of walked in. What's good, Max? Not a fan of all-time high. Did a cheeky bit of back testing. Nice. From day just to day J. Nah. GMT, bro. Seen that on your Insta? Yeah. What's good, ZZZ? Bro, it was insane. Yeah, the root beer, bro. That's what I got allocation for, but I've got to wait for a slot to open. How the shop was open on a Sunday? It's not like Germany, bro. Shop's open on a Sunday in the UK anyway. Partied on the Friday night with my mate. Took 2 wins that day, so I wanted to celebrate a bit. Yeah, good stuff, bro. That's huge. Important, Levi. Good Ephra. Bro, yeah, I don't know if I like the day dates, to be honest. No, I do. Don't get me wrong. The GMTs are cool, though. Rolex is today's giveaway, chat. Yeah, easy. You get a Rolex, and you get a... Chat, real talk, I'll probably just buy it as an investment piece or sell it. My boy's cashing. Nah, we'll see, bro. We'll see. Proud of you for real. Thank you. Thanks, Kata, bro. Means a lot, man. Chat 30 flipping here. Might see this push down. Played golf on Saturday, had a big shop on Sunday, planned my meals for the week, then had tea at the grandma's because she offered. Came the chicken was like rubber. Yeah, bro, I hear that. Good shit though, anyway. You are pushing down here. You are starting to push down here, which is good. We'll smash a hell of a chest workout when you come to... Yeah, bro, 100%. I'm so down. So down. Yeah, the root beer is such a clean watch though, I can't lie. Yo, Big SG, what's the goods? What's good, DK? How's it going, man? How's it going? So, okay, chat, so look, the 30 flipped here. I'm not taking anything right now. Although, I think you did close below here. I don't know, I don't trust this. You end up behind the AP? Yeah, not quite, bro. Not quite. What should I do? Train, trade, work, or work, trade, train? An interesting question, bro. It depends on your schedule and what you do for work. For me, I trade, train, trade, work. Was it a root beer GMT? Yeah, a GMT too, yeah. Is that you saying taxi driver? All right. I guess trade when London and New York sessions on, and then work when is busiest for you, when you make the most money, and then trade after that. Sorry, and then train after that. That'd be a perfect schedule, I guess. What's good, Yanga? 3 days of missed streams. Had to go to Cape Town to see some family that was visiting from abroad. Mr. Sexy. Yeah, what's good, man? What's good, bro? Nah, you're good, man. You went to see family. That's important. Uber slave throughout the week. Yeah, tough, man. Well, not really tough. I don't think that's that bad of a job. But yeah, just whenever's busiest or you make the most money with Uber, do that. Then trade during New York or London, and then train after that. That's what I'd be doing. But listen, chat, you got a 1 hour close here in 4 minutes time. So, depending on this closure, right, could be interesting. You should, realistically, if you close bearish below like 25.81, you should fill the range down. Feels like we might just close in the middle of the range though, which would obviously not be the best. 15-minute did come down and make a bottom wick for the previous. It's a really interesting price at the minute. Let's start to focus up though, chat. You got 3 minutes here to the close. 3 minutes. I realized I forgot to tag people in the server. They are. Did that flip, man? Someone's in cells. Yeah, it doesn't look like it wants to flip, to be honest. What's good, Zulu? How's it going, bro? Chat, what do you guys think for today? Do you think we're going to come down and make a bottom wick, or do you think we're just going to continue up? Because technically you did make an all-time high overnight last night. Yeah, technically you did make that all-time high, so... Oh, wait. Why is that chart so different? This is where I don't like the difference in brokers. It's really sketchy. Pullback for sure, I reckon. Yeah, we are starting to make some structure. That is true. This is true. Yeah, I'm going to use the FX TM chart. Good FNAM. What's good, crypto? Looks like it come down for a bottom wick, then break all-time high. Tomorrow CPI. Is tomorrow CPI? Hey, chat, what do we have in terms of news for the rest of the week? No, it's Canadian CPI tomorrow. That's not the same. You have retail sales for US on Tuesday. You have FOMC though. Chat, we're dropping frames. Oh, that's tough. You have FOMC on on Wednesday? Crazy. And then Thursday you got unemployment claims. Friday you got nothing. Could be a big week then, chat. Could be a big week. I'm interested to see what happens here, chat. Very interested. But look at this tap off the level, chat, that you just made on this 30 as well. Will you stream FOMC? Yeah, sure. Yeah, did I just get Matrix attacked or what? Are we good? Because it just said that the stream cut out for me, but now it's on full, you know, connection. So let me know if it goes down or anything, yeah? I'm thinking 25 basis points cut or 50. I think they have to do it 25 at a time, no? Chat, okay, so this 1 hour closed here. Let me open my broker. You have come up top wick first too. You might have some nice sells, to be honest. Need a bigger top wick than that there. Did anyone watch the GeoGuessr World Cup final? Such a good watch. No. Gandhi was talking about it a lot. Okay, chat, you flipped here. Bro, I thought we might be able to get a position there, but you didn't really grab enough of a wick for me. You got like a 5-6 pip wick. Not really enough, bro. Yeah, I can't take that, chat. But you do have a wick to fill here on the 1 hour, which is tough because that would have been a clean position. If we would just grab some more liquidity, wouldn't have been too bad. But let's keep hunting here, chat. Yeah, see, you reflipped here. Yeah, chat, I don't like this too much at the minute. I'd rather wait for a little bit more confirmation. Morning, gang. New week. Hope everyone's well. What's good, Gandhi? How you doing, brother? I think if we re-rate the high, we're pushing. I don't know, man. We'll see. But listen, chat, it's going to be a good week coming. I got a lot of stuff in terms of content coming for you. A lot of, you know, a lot of good videos coming out. As well as that, I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff, staying active in the Discord, etc. Yeah, make sure, by the way, if you're not in the Discord, make sure you join that. I know most of you guys will be, but make sure you do jump in. And yeah, otherwise, chat, right now we've got to just wait for some positions. Stay disciplined, stay focused. It should be a great week. Stay locked in with us, man. You ever traded the Asian session? What's good, Cookie? Welcome. No. Well, yes, I have. Sorry, but not often. I don't really like to. A bit too unpredictable for me. I like to wake up and see what Asian did, and then you can get your positions, you know? Your WAP link isn't working. It's just wap.com/trendlines. Should work. Yeah, chat, you did re-break the highs here. Interesting. So you should see a little bit of a push up, at least to tap into this level, I'd say. Again, though, you got a 1 hour close here, so you need to sort of wait for some confirmations. Maybe if the 30-minute can close back above the level, you can look to take some buys to continue up. But until then, yeah, it gets a little bit difficult. So we'll just wait and wait for these confirmations. It's very early in the week, right? It's only 9 o'clock and it's Monday morning, okay? We don't need any positions just yet. Okay, cool. So what day is it? Okay, you're coming out to... We're halfway through September right now. Hopefully you guys have had a good month so far. And hopefully we can just continue out and finish up strong, right? Stick to the plan. Should be good. Five-minute closed. Okay, the 5-minute closed. Bullish, which is good. Bottom wick first as well. Could potentially see this continue up. Okay, good. But yeah, man. So, that being said, you're grabbing some liquidity as well. It really could go either way at the minute, chat. When you have something like this, right, where you're like, basically you've got no direction. You need direction to tell you exactly where we're sort of, you know, the direction in which we'll push, obviously. Makes a lot of sense. But you need that before you enter a trade. Now, for me at the minute, this 5-minute could flip easily and continue to push us up. Or the 30-minute could reflip and break the lows, and you could drive down. So you could never, you know, you could never take a position right now because you don't actually know. You got conflicting time frames. Close to a payout this week, so historically I will reset my account back to B. Nah, bro, so you gotta have the right mindset. You're gonna get the payout, 100%. 100% you'll get it. See, look, chat, 5-minute flip there. You couldn't really predict that happening. When you could, but it could have gone either way. Realistically, you should continue up here. But yeah, there should be a lot of potential for today's session, chat. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of potential. Chat, FOMC Wednesday. So, what do you guys think about that? So, rate cuts, right? What does that mean? Rate cuts should be what for gold? Bad for dollar, good for assets. Okay. So that means that it's just going to push gold to the moon, no? Spent a lot of the weekend creating a new updated trading journal. Took a lot of inspiration from yours, so thank you, bro. Yeah, anytime, Gandhi. Good stuff. Means we're going to melt to the winter lamp. Bro, but if it's good for gold, that means it's going to send us to the all-time highs of the all-time highs. Yeah, I have a story, right? I was in London yesterday, as I'm sure you guys know, if you saw my story. And I went into the Louis Vuitton store because I wanted to buy a new bag. Okay? I bought a little bag. No, I didn't buy a little bag, sorry. I was looking at buying a little bag. It's a little wash bag, right? Because I like their little wash bags. And anyway, they didn't have the color that I wanted, so I didn't buy it. So I went over and looked at their belts, and they had this new belt that I hadn't seen before, and it wasn't like any... I don't really like Louis Vuitton belts. I think they're too flashy. I went over, looked at it, and it was like this tiny little belt. It looked like leather with a little like LV buckle on it. I was like, that's so clean. It's so classy. Like, it was very minimalist. And I went to try it on, and as I went to try it on, this guy, like, well, you can't just try stuff on. You have to get, like, the assistant to come over, and then he gets it and puts it, whatever. Anyway, this guy goes, it's a very special piece. You have to be careful and wear gloves when you put it on. I was like, what do you mean? I tried this on, bro. The belt was clean, and he goes, yeah, it's genuine crocodile. And I was like, okay, I'll take it. How much is it? I didn't say I'll take it, but I was gonna take it if it was, you know, decently priced. And I was like, how much is it? This guy goes 3.2k. What? For a belt? No shot. No shot. Bro, I can't imagine spending that much on a belt. Even if I had millions, I wouldn't do that. Like £3,200 for a belt. Insane. That was good, Jar. You are a millionaire, aren't you? Not yet, brother. Definitely not yet. I was expecting like 1k maximum. Bro, I thought it might be a little bit more expensive, like 500. This guy says 3.2k. I was like, oh, nah. Funny, man. What would you have paid for it? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Realistically, not too much. The wash bag would have been better. I'm not, bro. I don't know. The moment he said that it was like a special piece that I've got to be careful with and it's genuine crocodile, I was like, oh shit, I can't afford this. I had a party a few years ago and someone left behind a 2k LB belt and ended up selling it to a mate for 1.5k. Insane, bro. You just admitted to robbery live on... Nah, I'm playing. That's good shit. I'd do the same. That's mad though. Why, how can you leave a 2k belt? A limited edition Gucci duffel bag. Crazy. Keeping to sell later. Yeah, I understand that. I've got some vintage pieces too that I'll just sell later. Yeah, by the way, you're flipping here on the 1 hour. You're about to re-break the lows. I want to see what this 15 does. Because I think we have made a higher high now to... Sorry, a lower high to continue down. But you need to close bearish on the 15 if you're going to take sells. Let's see, chat. Yeah, I guess not. I guess no sells right now, chat. But listen, you got the 4 hour close as well coming in about 45 minutes here. It's going to be an important closure. Oh, mad, you got this one. The wavy bag. Yeah, the 4 hour close is bearish like this though in 45 minutes. You could be good to take some sells as well to continue down. But at the same time, you just need to wait for some direction. Yeah. I was scraping 5 to 10 pips close because so many fake outs. Is that okay for my psychology, SG? If that's how you want to trade, that's how you want to trade. Like, it depends if your psychology can handle it. But yeah, some people do that and some people, you know, like to do that. But I personally just rather wait for one setup and then take it. I know loads of people like Calm. They're just micro scalps, you know, smaller time frames, and it works. So yeah, man. Okay, chat, you're pushing back up here. Oh, interesting. Where's this volume coming from? Five-minute close, no top wick as well. On futures is different to micro scalp. It depends. You can do it on Forex if you got a no spread broker. I could do it right now on FX and be okay because I've got no spreads. But yeah, it's a little bit easier on futures, don't get me wrong. You're pushing up here, which is interesting. Is the 4 hour going to flip? Potentially. The 30-minute can close above the level at 2584.2. You can look to take some buys to continue back up. The only thing I'm thinking about right now is that the 15 has no bottom wick, right? So at any given point, this could just rip down. Yeah, it's come up absolutely no bottom wick. But listen, there's a lot of potential here, especially with this volume coming into the map. So we need to wait. Need to wait for the closure here. Good raise. Gonna sneeze. Sales on gold looking a bit oofed. Yeah. Probably no sales anymore. Depending on what this does. If this 15 flips, then yeah, you'll take some sales, right? But this is what I'm saying by direction. You need direction. You need, you know, that breakout, and then you're good to go. Also, the other crazy thing that I wanted to say, when I was in the Rolex store yesterday, chat, this is a mad store. Not mad, but like, this was crazy to see. This guy, like, basically when you walk into the store, they sit you down, they ask if you want a drink or whatever, like coffee, tea, etc. You sit down and basically I asked which watch I wanted to see. I wanted to see the root beer, GMT. Anyway, I was looking at this watch going like, oh yeah, that's cool. Can I, you know, get some allocation or whatever? Anyway, some other guy walks in. There was only one other person in the shop, right? And this other guy walks in and he says hello to the guy. Doesn't really say a word. Sits down on the chair. This other guy pulls out a watch and goes, was this one you wanted? And the other guy goes, yeah. And he said, yes, I'll take it. And that was it. And then he pulled out a fucking platinum Amex, tapped it, and walked out the store in about 3 minutes, bro. This guy walked in, bought a 30k watch on his Amex, tapped it, walked out like it was nothing in about genuinely 3 minutes. It was the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. He literally just walked in, he was like, yes. Thank you. Left. I was like, bro, what? He literally just... I think he even like didn't even put it in the box. I think he just walked out with the watch on. I can't remember. I didn't see that, but bro, he only bought one brokey. Yeah, it's true. True. I think he was buying a Sky Dollar as well. I can't remember what it was. Or maybe it was a day date. But it was insane. Chat, honestly, it was the craziest thing I've ever seen. I was just looking at him like, yeah, fair enough, bro. But chat, listen. Drop a like, man, if you haven't already. Let's try to get to 50 likes on today's stream. I appreciate you guys for pulling up. I know it's Monday, so a lot of people are probably still in bed or already early at work. But yeah, drop a like. Let's try to get to 50 if we can. It really does help boost the streams. And otherwise, we're going to wait for this 30-minute closure and then the 4 hour after that. And then we'll see what happens from there, chat. We'll see what happens. But there's a lot of potential today. A lot of potential. Yeah, that's the level I'm trying to get to there. Yeah, the platinum's not too. The platinum's quite cheap, to be honest. The platinum Amex is definitely worth it. What do you mean the black one? No, Kareem. There's no way you turn down a black Amex if you even got ever invited for one. Okay, chat, we're pushing up here. Just continuously pushing, so... Wow. I don't know what to do here, chat. Well, not, I don't know what to do, but... I mean, there's nothing you can do, is what I'm trying to say. You have to wait. I remember being in a Merc dealership waiting for my car to be serviced, and some guy was picking up a car he bought. And whilst he was waiting, bought his missus a car on the spot. Crazy. Bro, it's mad how that sort of thing happens. It's insane, bro. 60 a month, people pay Rolex on subscription. Nah, he's talking about American Express credit card. Not, I think you can pay for a Rolex on subscription, but not from Rolex. You have to get it from a dealer. But yeah, no, he's talking about a credit card. I don't think it's 60 a month though. I think it's like 600 a year. Like 50 a month. I guess that's 60 euros. Yeah, you're right. Was almost bugging. Not a bad option, to be fair. These situations, I tend to think that we missed the move. Filled the FBG and no bottom wick. Might as well go straight down to daily open again. What do you think? I don't think we missed the move. We had no setup here. I mean, the way that you trade, you might have it if you're talking about FVGs. Otherwise... Yeah, we have to wait for closures, so I haven't missed anything just yet. Is it worth it to go for an Amex? Yeah, bro, definitely. 100%. 100%. The amount of, like, flights and shit that I've been able to get for cheaper because of my Amex is ridiculous. Like, you'll notice I fly business class quite a lot. And the reason for that is because, like... It's not cheap still, but you can get it a lot cheaper with an Amex. I guess it depends how much you're traveling, to be fair as well. Bro, but Baron, listen, it's different in Germany as well, because my partner just applied for an Amex there too. But it works completely differently. Like, you get different reward systems and stuff. I think in the UK it's really cool, like really good, but it's not as good in Germany, I don't think. Like, you don't get as many rewards. Better not create an all-time high, I'll be fuming. Yeah, chat, if we do right now, I don't know what to say. But listen, you've got a 4-hour that wants to close bullish potentially. You've got a 30-minute that's closing above the range. So realistically, if you can close above here, chat, in 6 minutes time, so focus up a little bit. You can close above here in 6 minutes time. You got some room to fill up to 2588.8. That gives you around like 25 pips at the minute. Yeah, around that, which is not too bad. Stops would be 50. It's all right. But yeah, listen, chat. There's a lot of potential for us to push up here, so I want to wait and see what we do. But either way, if it's not this 30, it'll be the 4-hour. But I do think we can grab something here very, very shortly. But listen, if you guys have any trading questions that you want to ask me, that's why I'm here, you know. Okay, chat. 5 minutes to the 30-minute closure. Realistically, I mean, look at the weekly, chat. You did make a bottom wick, to be fair. You've now broke the previous weekly high, sorry. You're now coming back up on the 4-hour after grabbing liquidity. 1 hour looks... I mean, the 1 hour is probably the only thing that's not the best. But you still have grabbed liquidity here. You're still actually making bullish structure, right? You've got higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Next thing you'd expect to happen is just to come up here and now make another higher high. And then you can continue like that, right? Where can I get a rented Lambo and a mansion for decent price? I want to push a course and signals to people. Bro, if I knew that, I'd be doing it. No, I'm joking, I wouldn't, but I don't know, Yanga. Had to get 13% this week. I don't know, bro. Don't aim for a target. But I'd say 13% is very aggressive, though. I think last week was one of my best trading weeks ever, and I got 7% or 6.5%. Right, so 13% is very ambitious unless you're risking very heavily. But chat, yeah, speaking of that, right, last week was just a ridiculous week. We did very, very well last week. It's not going to show me here anymore because it's a new week. Wait, let me see. When did last week start? The 9th? Why is this one not filled out? That's 100 pips because this one should say 22. I don't know why it doesn't say it. Okay, well there you are. Yeah, so like 100 and something pips. Oh, 99.7. So yeah, basically 100. It was a clean week last week, chat. But listen, you got 3 minutes here to the 30-minute close. So if we can see a pullback here, that'd be great. We can take some buys to continue up. I want to see a nice little pullback, chat. Tap it, and then we tap into 25.84. Easy peasy. But it doesn't look like you're going to get that, chat. Doesn't look like you're going to get it. We'll see here. Can we get to 50 likes on today's stream? I appreciate all of you for pulling up. Let's lock it in now. Focus up on these trades here. You got 2 minutes. So if we can get to 50 likes before that 2-minute closure, that'd be real nice. And yeah, appreciate you all very, very much. But this is a very important close here. The next most important close is obviously the 4-hour, right? That's going to tell you a good idea of like the direction that we're going. But even if you close bearish on the next 4-hour, right? As long as you're respecting 25.84 here, right? As long as you close above here, essentially then you've got like a, you know, a break and retest sort of play. So yeah, I mean, I just thought of an idea, chat. One sec, let me write this down. Nice. Okay, cool. Sometimes when I get ideas, chat, I just have to write them down before they escape my head. Ain't we technically closing above that minor resistance on the left? Yeah, we are. That's what I'm trying to say. But I need a pullback to leave a wick so that we can actually get a decent entry. Otherwise, if you don't leave a wick, it's not the best. But yeah, you're right. There is a minor resistance here, exactly at 25.86. You might close no top wick, chat. You got 30 seconds left, so focus up here. Yeah, chat, that's not a nice closure at all. That's not a nice closure at all. You basically closed no top wick there. That's tough, chat. That is tough. Not much I can do here, if I'm honest. Yeah, you've gone anyway now. Realistically, chat, you've got not much room anymore. Yeah, I'm going to be back in 2 seconds, yeah? Just give me 2 seconds. Cool, I'm back. It was good, Philip. How you doing, man? Welcome back. Okay, chat, so you're pushing up here, but the thing that I'd say is, obviously you got no room now to the top of the next level. So what we have to do essentially now is just wait for this closure here on the 4 hour, which is going to give you a lot of information, if I'm honest. That's going to give you everything you need to know, especially if we close as bullish as we are right now. So be patient a bit here, and then yeah, we can eventually, you know, sort of wait until it starts to form, and then you start hunting for your positions. Okay, all about that patience. Make sense, chat? All right, cool. Nice. So 5 minute close in 1 minute time here. You got 1 minute essentially. You're coming up towards the top of this range. After we do that, essentially it's very unpredictable where we could go. Obviously, if you break through, then great. But realistically, the most likely thing is that you tap the top of this level and then start to reject. Okay. So that being said, right, it doesn't mean we can take sells, but it also means that you can't really be taking buys right now. But chat, listen, I've got a lot of important stuff coming this week, so make sure you're in the free Discord if you haven't already joined that. It's very, very important. I'm going to be doing some cool stuff in there. I'm going to be doing some new content stuff in terms of like giveaways and daily analysis, etc. As well as that, we've got some new trading videos coming that should be either today or tomorrow, which should be great. So yeah, make sure you stick around and subscribe for those if you haven't already seen them. And obviously we are streaming twice a day, right? New York and London sessions. So just infinite value here. Look at this 5 minute close. Maybe no top wick. No, you did leave a wick actually, so you could continue up here. What do you guys think though? Do you think... I reckon the next logical level that we tap here, if we are going to continue to break all-time highs, is 2600, okay? Like, you've already tapped into 2590. 2600 is the next level, I'd say. But then, after that, realistically, I think we could be on track to hit 2800. Which is, like, crazy ambitious, right? But that is essentially $100 per gram of gold. Gold's obviously never been anywhere near that price before, but $100 per gram of gold is crazy. I feel like that's where you're gonna, you know, have a big rejection if you do actually want to, you know, start to come back down. I don't know if we'll get to 3,000, but yeah, $100 per gram of gold. I feel like people will probably go, nah, wait, we can't pay this. This is too much. Otherwise, no one's gonna be able to source like gold for technology. Like, you have to think about it, chat. At the end of the day, they're using it for like phones, computers. Gold's used in pretty much everything, so they need to keep price relatively low. Otherwise, I don't think people are going to be able to make that sort of stuff. Pretty weak bottom wick, but strong overall bullish momentum. Yeah, that's the thing. If you did get a nicer bottom wick on the weekly, you could be, you know, a little bit more bullish. Especially like today, we could have been quite aggressive with the buys down here. But because you don't have that bottom wick, really, you can't be that aggressive. It's definitely a good point, Rentero. Definitely a good point. But listen, chat, 22 minutes here to the 4-hour close. I do believe you are going to get some positions here. You got a 15-minute close in about 7 minutes as well, which should give you sort of, you know, what you're looking for. Did anyone catch anything today though, chat? Anyone catch anything in like Asian or London, pre-London? Let me know if you did. I want to see what you guys have taken this week so far. I took sells. How did they go, Ryan? How did they go, man? From that top to the next white candle on your screen. Oh, like up here. Huge. Good sells, bro. Congrats. Got US 30 buys. Let's go, FR. Good stuff. That you guys are cooking, eh? Sick, man. Easy $500. Huge. Caught buys today, but got stopped out. Small loss. Hey, at least you minimize the loss, Max. That's the most important thing, right? You minimize that loss. Took about 25.87, but took a little L. I took an L. It hit my... Oh, it later hit my TP. Bro, it is what it is, man. That's part of the game. Minus 11 pips. Yeah, that's nothing, bro. That's nothing. That's one trade. That's good, though. If you can minimize your loss, that's ideal. Just make sure your stops weren't too tight, right? Because if they got hit and then it went straight to your TP, just try and evaluate whether or not your stops were too tight. That is very possible. Hey bro, do you think that buys about 25.88 will be risky as we don't know how high it will go after breaking the resistance? I don't necessarily think that's why it's risky. You have to be aware of that, yeah, of course, but at the same time, you know, it could go, you know, we're going to manage risk appropriately, right? So once we get to a certain point, maybe once we break the high or once we make some structure, we'll go break even, manage our risk that way, and then we'll just continue to trail stops all the way up. If that's what happens. Otherwise, you might actually come back down here and start to retrace. We don't know if we're actually going to grab these sells just yet or not. Trade idea of today from the retest of 2580. Yeah, maybe, bro. I mean, we've already retapped it. I would say we'd be looking for a retest of 2584 to continue back up. That's what would be ideal right now. Like, if you could reach out, realistically, if you could come down here on the next 4 hour, make a closure around like 2584, and then start to like flip and continue back up, we'll take a position based off that, right? And that'd be way better in terms of stops. However, if you do come straight down in the 4 hour, we can take a wick entry based off the fact that you should inevitably reflip, right? Let's say you come down straight away and tap into 2584. I think you can just take buys off the rip. So that's what we'll look to do, right? Was the London Open was too quick to buy? Yeah, I understand that. You gotta work on your trigger finger. Yeah, like support and resistance. Yeah, exactly. Listen, you got 15-minute close here in 3 minutes time. I want to see exactly how you are, how you're closing here. I want to see how you're closing. I think there's a lot of potential right now, chat. A lot of potential. Okay, cool. 91 of you in here. If you can drop a like and get us to, let's say, 70 likes, that'd be huge. Very, very appreciative of that. I think you guys are killing it at the minute with the support and the community as well. You guys' trading's been getting better. People in the Discord been getting funded, getting payouts. So excited for that, man. I'm so excited. Especially the longer that, you know, you guys stay in the community, the longer you stay disciplined, stay locked in, it's only going to increase. Your chance of getting a payout or just scaling up your live account is going to go way, way up. So congrats to everyone who's killing it at the minute. Not even just the ones who are getting payouts, but the ones who are turning up every day, staying disciplined, staying focused, sticking to their plan. That's all that matters. It's good, Ben. Good morning, brother. Hey, bro, can I ask you a question? I'm a little confused about something. Maybe you can give me better advice? Sure, man. Fire away. You don't have to ask me to ask a question, G. Good morning, bro. What funding have you got? Bro, I just trade live accounts at the minute. Well, not live accounts, but yeah, I just trade live. Because I've got enough capital now where I can just afford to trade live accounts rather than having to be funded and stuff. Way better in my opinion. Yeah, I just accidentally clicked to open Zoom. There you are. Okay, chat, listen, 15-minute close here. What's good there, Joe? Welcome to the community, man. Welcome. I'm confused between E8 and FTP. Contour reviews both are great, but Funded Trading Plus is much better. What do you think? Because I can't play with crypto and E8 don't accept debit card. It sounds like you gotta go with FTP then, bro. I'm affiliated with FTP, so what I would say is, well, I mean, I recommend them as one of my favorite, you know, platforms. Them and ACG. So if you use code SG at FTP, it gets you 20% off as well. I've never used E8, so I can't tell you anything about them. All I can say is that I know FTP are a good firm and I trust them wholeheartedly. So that's all I can say, bro. For me, I'd go with FTP, but I've never tried E8. So if you think they're good, then maybe go for it. But chat, listen, look at this. The 15-minute rejected last minute here. Wow, that's a strong rejection, chat. It's a strong rejection. Chat, I can't take sells here though because you got 50. Oh, yeah. See, look. There's no clear direction right now. Chat, this is very interesting, man. Okay, so the 15-minute closed bullish here, weak bullish. Might come for that 30 no bottom wick. Yeah, maybe. This 15 no bottom wick as well. Yeah, chat, that's insane. So listen, that was a strong rejection though. Like that, you might see a push down here, to be honest, which is not a bad thing. But I can't take sells here because you got the 4-hour close in 14 minutes, chat. I don't want to be caught in a position and then the 4-hour starts to rip up. You know, it's just it's too unpredictable right now. Please load up GJ on the screen real quick. Why? What's it doing? Doing niche, bro. Yeah, nah, GJ's dead. Chat, the thing that we could do though, if you do get a 30-minute close here, bearish, like this, especially if the 4-hour close is like weak bullish, you can look to take some sells to come back down, right? You can look to take some sells to come back and retest 25.84. So either way, chat, right now, you got a lot of potential, okay? A lot of potential. Whether it turns out to be buys above the level, sells below, I think you should be clear here. Just have to wait for that closure. All that matters at the minute. Let's see, chat. Let's see. The sells right now. Hopefully they play out, Yango. Just be careful, man. You got a 4-hour close. It's a bit unpredictable. Bit unpredictable, bro. Okay, chat. It should be good. I realized that probably sounded like I was about to take a position. That's not what I'm doing. Oh, you're at sells on GJ, you mean? Bro, I'm looking at gold right now. Yeah, GJ, not gold. Fair play. I don't know, bro. I don't trade GJ, so I've got literally no clue about it. Okay, chat. 5-minute close in 2 minutes. Start to focus up here. Look at the structure that we're making as well. You are starting to. I mean, technically you're still ranging, right? But you are technically starting to make. You know, even on the 5-minute, you're making higher lows and higher highs, right? So potentially, if this continues, you could look to grab something like that. However, you know, you are coming into the top of this range, so you need to see. Realistically, you should tap 25.88 no matter what. 25.89 no matter what. However, you do need to see closure above that if you are going to take buys. It's way too close to it right now. You've only got like 10 pips. Good, Dan. Good morning, man. Yeah, very interesting situation right now, chat. Very interesting situation. How are you, mate? I'm very, very good, Dan. How are you? I'm chilling, bro. Yeah, thank you guys for 50 likes. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you very much. Okay, chat, great. You are starting to reject, though. I feel like you're probably going to try and make a high here, which means you're most likely going to try and retest into 25.84. Did you trade props to get capital to fund your brokerage account? No, I actually didn't. I just saved up, and I had other business interests that made me money, and then I put that into live accounts. And I actually obviously grew a live account as well. Like, I started off with a 1K account when I first started trading. Actually was in a lot of drawdown with that at the start, and then just like somehow managed to bring it back make a decent bit. Nothing like crazy though. And then I also had other business interests that made me some more money. And when it was time to scale, I just deposited. And that was that. But using props to fund your brokerage account is a good idea, Joe. It's a good idea, man. If you essentially, you can fund it anyway. That's the way to do it, right? It doesn't matter how you fund that account, even if it's a 9 to 5 or whatever, you know. As long as you can fund that account. But listen, chat. 9 minutes here till the 1 hour close. Okay. Oh, sorry, the 4 hour close as well. Now you're looking to close bullish, which is great. I would say if we can get, that's your goal. Yeah, 100%. That needs to be your goal as a trader. That needs to be the goal. Chat, if you can tap into 2584 on a bottom wick after the 4 hour close, right? That can be then your wick entry area, right? We'll look to buy if you tap straight into there. Because either way, you should come up first and grab yourself a top wick. Not first, but at some point and grab yourself a top wick, right? So then your advantage point can be the flip. And then obviously if you do continue up to break the highs, then great. But if not, then is what it is, right? But that's the move right now, chat. So essentially, depending on what we do here, I mean, I guess if the 30 closes bearish, then you can't really take those buys. But depending on what the 4 hour does, we should be good here. Should be able to get some potential positions either way. Would love to see us come down and tap into this area at 2584. Then you can have stops even below. I mean, if you wanted, you could have stops below 2577. I'd say realistically, we could do even 2579 below the previous wick. If you wanted to be super safe, you could stick your stops down below here. You shouldn't really wick into that. You shouldn't really tap into that. But listen, chat, 2 minutes to this 5 minute close. We are starting to push down a little bit, which is interesting. Might mean that we've made a high. But either way, when you get a wick entry, right? If we get a wick entry, you know, you should be good to get an exit point anyway. Should have an opportunity to get out. But also, chat, the other thing is we need some volume to come into the charts right now. There's not really enough volume for us. We need yeah, an opportunity to grab some liquidity, and to grab liquidity you need volume, right, to make that initial push down. All linked, chat. Everything's linked. I'm explaining this in a video that I'll release soon, I think, but yeah. Everything's linked. 2 minutes. Remember, if we don't get anything today as well, be patient. It's Monday. Can't be complaining about no trades on a Monday. Hey, what's good, Joshua? How you doing, bro? Welcome back, my boy. 5 minute reflipped. That might mean you've made a low. We'll see there. We'll see. Got 5 pip sells. Good stuff, Vin. Hey, 5 pips is 5 pips. Don't let anyone tell you differently. Chat, where did we have buys the other day? Wasn't it like... where we had buys somewhere crazy. Like somewhere like here or something. I think it was like here. I don't know. We had some ridiculous buys. I think it might have been like somewhere around here. And you would have never come back, and you just rip all the way up. When was that? I don't remember what day that was, but yeah. Oh, chat, I think we're dropping frames again, man. 2,500? Yeah, it was 2,500 exactly. You're right. So it was even lower. Yeah, it was like 24.99, no? Oh, it was like here. It was literally here. Yeah, you're right, Jar. The no wick on the daily makes me cautious looking for buys. Yeah, I understand that, to be fair. I understand that. Okay, cool. Oh no, did we get Matrix attack, chat? I hope we didn't, bro. That's so shit. Hope it stays. Stays alright. What is going on? I swear this streaming platform is so unreliable. What are you training today, SG? I've got... Oh, chat, we should be back now. I think we should be good. I think I'm going to hit chest today. Or maybe back. I don't know, actually. I need to check. Might also take a rest day. I've been doing a lot recently. Yeah, but we'll see, chat. So, listen, the previous 5... Oh, you did close bearish on the previous 5. By the way, the stream should be back now. We should be back to all good. But, listen, the 4 hours closing in 3 minutes here, chat. You got 3 minutes till you close. Now, realistically, this is a clean closure. If you can get a bottom wick, that'd be great. We just have to wait for that to play out. If it does play out, then good. I mean, you realistically should tap back into at least 25.88. If you can come down and grab a bottom wick, that'd be ideal. But let's see here, chat. Let us see. 2 minutes. Time to focus up and lock it in. Had chest slash back this morning. Very nice. Oh, huge, bro. Chest and back day is a bit too much volume for me, I think. I think it's a bit too much for me. GBP rate cuts coming up. You're looking to take advantage of that? In what way? I guess what, by getting out some loans or some shit? I don't know. Alright, chat, 2 minutes. Focus up here. 4 hour close. 4 hour close, man. There's a lot of potential right now. Lock it in here. Damn, I only had 30 minutes in the gym. In me, this quarterly entrance is going to be tough. Bro, as long as you get in the gym and do something, you're good. Okay, chat, so you're going to close bearish on the 30, maybe. Chat, you're a bit indecisive here. One minute, chat. Focus up. Lock it in here. So, like I said, right, the plan is tap into 25.84 with no top wick, and you should be good to take some buys to continue up, right? Four hours closing, very, very bullish, to be honest. I know the actual candle body closure itself is not the strongest, but look at the amount of liquidity we've grabbed. Grabbed so much liquidity. Just don't want this 30 to close bearish, to be honest. Because that does make it a little bit difficult if you do that. Yeah, 30 closure is not the best. Open up top wick first before the flip. I don't know, bro. I want to see a bottom wick. I'm looking for the buys, to be honest. Okay, so you did close bearish on the 30, but very weak bearish. I don't think that's too much of a bad thing. You need to see a big bottom wick here though, chat. You've kind of frozen again, like you do sometimes on the 4-hour open. Okay, now you're pushing back up. I need to see us come down here and tap into 25.84. The other play, chat, then, is if you can come up and make a top wick, we can potentially have sells on the flip here. But I think you need to tap into 25.89 at some point first. I feel like if you are going to come down, you do need to come and tap into this area. We're in a bit of a no man's land right now, chat. Good time in, no more volume. Yeah, I know. A bit tough. Look at the 4-hour though. You did close very bullish, right? Sales here gets a little bit difficult. I know the 30-minute close bearish. I understand that, but a little bit difficult, chat. What I'll look for now, chat, is I'll look for the next sort of, oh, this candle to open up. If you can tap into the top of the range, then good, and then reflip, then we can take some sells. Otherwise, chat, it's going to be a New York session. Can't trade this mess. I'm going back to sleep. Hey, what's good, Green? Yeah, get some rest, my bro. This is not worth trading right now. Let's see, chat. I'll stick around for one more 30-minute closure. I'm going to like the stream before I go. Hey, I appreciate you, my boy, Green. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, chat, listen. I'm going to wait for the next closure, right? But yeah, we need some more volume if we're going to do anything here. There's zero volume right now, chat. Zilch. Okay, chat, good. So you are starting to push up here, which is nice. So there is some volume, which is good. Let's just see if we can start to utilize that. Do you want to see a tap into 25.88 though first? Five-minute closure though, chat. 5-minute closure in 1 minute. Realistically, you haven't really moved much at all on this 4-hour. Yes, you could come down, but at the same point, we're in a bit of a no man's land. It gets a bit difficult, so you need to wait here for some confirmation. Maybe the 15-minute close, maybe something else, but yeah. Just stay focused, chat. Stay locked in for a little bit longer, and then otherwise we're going to do the smart decision, right? If nothing prints, we'll do the smart decision and not take a position and just wait for New York. Because remember, chat, you got the rest of today is London, you got New York, right? That's 2 sessions. Then you've got 4 more days of that, so you got 10 more trading sessions as a minimum this week. If you think you're not going to get a position in any of those, then I don't know, man. It's way worth staying patient just so you don't end up taking some position that you shouldn't and getting wrecked for it. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, chat, it's all about not about how many trades you take, right? It's about your profit and loss at the end of the week. If your profit and loss is positive, then great. That's all that matters. It doesn't matter if you did that in 1 trade, in 2 trades, in 50 trades. As long as that profit and loss is positive, you're good. So like for me, coming into every week, if I take 1 trade that week and it's a win, and I don't take any more trades, that's still positive for me. Even if I take that 1 trade and it's a loss, right? As long as I stick to my plan, still a dub too. How it's gotta be. How it's gotta be. But listen, chat, for those of you who are new here, make sure you join the free Discord that we've got. It's a you know, really good community. Got lots of stuff going on in there. Trying to provide as much free value as possible. So make sure you do jump in that community. And yeah, subscribe as well to the YouTube channel, of course. I only take 1 trade during the first 4 hours of London, and my win rate is pretty good. Do you think I should add NY session? I think less is more. Test it out, bro. If NY works for you, then test it out. Why not? It's all about what works for you. I like trading London and New York, but if you prefer just trading London, then do that. Why not? Literally all about your personal preference. That's it. Okay, chat, so the 30-minute and the 1 hour and the 4 hour, etc., just flipped here. Tried to break its own lows, but didn't. 5 minutes also got no top wick, really. You might see a continuation up here, chat. Might see a continuation. Let's see. I just want to see what we're doing here. You are starting to print some structure on the 5 minute, which is great. But it's just whether that structure is a lower low, or sorry, a lower high, or whether it's a higher low, right? This could just be another, you know, push to come back down, or this could be a retrace for us to then go, okay, continue up. It could be either one. And that's why you have to wait and see which one it is. You have to wait for that confirmation, right? Whoa. Volume just dies, bro. The volume always picks up randomly, like around every, like, I'd say every 30-minute closure in the middle of the hour. So every like 9:30, 10:30, etc. brings us volume. I'm not sure why that is, but during London you get volume at 9:30, 10:30. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Got 5 minute close in a minute's time here as well. Yeah, you seem like you're struggling to go anywhere at the minute. I feel like we might start ranging here. Just creating some structure, right? You've not really got enough volume to break out. So like when you get in a situation like this, unless the volume picks up randomly, which it will do, right, at some point, but you sort of just tend to range for a little bit. So again, I guess it's all about waiting for closures, waiting for us to break out the range, and waiting for that volume to pick back up. Once you do that, you're chilling. Yeah, once you do that, you're all good. 5 minute close bearish. but still in the range, right? We have a 15-minute close here, chat, in about 4 minutes time. What I'm going to do here is I'll wait for the next 30-minute closure. If it gives us any direction or any idea of where we might push, then great, we'll take some positions. If not, we'll call it a day, chat. Simple as. Simple as that. Oh. What's your guys' plans for the week, though? What's your guys' goal for this week? Let me know. You guys have anything you're trying to achieve? I want to know what you guys are planning to get done this week, chat. It's important that you have a plan. If you don't, it's Monday, right? Now's your time. Just like script out what you want to do for the week, scheme it, and then execute, right? Make yourself a to-do list for the whole week and for each single day. And that's how you can execute your plan. Get a whiteboard too. I'm going to become a whiteboard affiliate. That's it. 1% better every day. Yeah, good stuff, Noose. That's exactly it, bro. Volume's starting to pick up there, chat. You see these little movements that are coming into the charts. Mad. Yeah, that's a bit of a sign that volume's picking up. We're starting to like spike up and down a little bit more. Good. Chat, in New York session today, I'll do a giveaway, right? We'll do a GeoGuessr competition for a week of signals. Okay, so make sure you guys pull up to the New York session. Make sure you are subscribed. Yeah, we'll do a giveaway later on. You guys in chat, you just got to remind me, but we will definitely get that done. So make sure you pull up to the New York sessions every single day at 1 PM UK time. We stream at New York. That you're pushing here. $15 bearish close like this might be nice. I want to make sure that we broke out the range, right? Could be clean though, chat. I think you should be good to come down and test into 25.84. Either way. Let's see, chat. Start to focus up here. You did just break the 30 lows as well. Should realistically see a drive here, chat. You got 1 minute to the 15-minute closure. And she's off. See what we do here, chat. 43 seconds. Are you pushing? Alright, chat, the 15 closed here. What do you do? Ah, chat. I'm gonna have a sell stop on this 15-minute flip right now. I do believe if you flip on this 15-minute candle, you should be good to push down to the bottom of the range, right? If you flip. Stops are very tight here, chat, as well. If you start to re-break some highs though, chat, we're gonna have to delete, right? But let's see here. You got stops are gonna be above, to be honest, above. Let's see. Above the previous 15, which is the current 4 hour, which is like 16 pips. Take profit's actually gonna be down here at this level. 25.80, right? That's for runners though. That's a bit ambitious. Okay, I just got activated here, chat. Just got activated. Actually, chat, I want to put my stops a little bit higher. Right, it's 24 pips, but 25.88.5 is going to be stops. Because that's the structure, right? Can you push here, chat? Let's see. I believe you should tap into 25.85 at least, right? Down here. Are you in? Yeah. I am. My broker has a spike down. Ah, shit, it doesn't on mine, bro. Almost to 85? Crazy. I don't have that, unfortunately. Or not, I mean, fortunately, I don't have that. Let's see, chat. I want to see a push here. 1 minute close, no bottom wick. That might not be good for us. We'll see. Let's see what we do here, chat. Can we push? If you re-break the lows one more time, you should be chilling. Need to re-break that low one more time, and then you should see a push down to like 25.85 around that area. That's going to be our break-even point, right? The little blue line here, break-even point. Let me put my TP in. There you are. You're struggling to re-break the lows here. I'm gonna be honest, it seems like you FOMO'd. Okay, bro. Tell me how. It's a fair enough thing for you to say, but I can promise you I did not FOMO. We have a valid setup here. You re-broke the highs here, which might be a little bit difficult. I want to see the 15 reflip. If we can reflip here, break the lows, that'd be perfect. Should be clean. 1 minute, no top wick closure, which is not bad. I mean, that's good for us, right? Yeah, if we take a loss here, we take a loss. Who cares? Someone has to end the 22 win streak right now. But chat, I think this was a valid play. Either way, I'd take it again. I really do think you should come and tap 25.84, right? The retest on the 15-minute FVG. Uh-oh. I don't know what that means, but it doesn't sound good. No, I'm playing. Listen, chat, look at this structure you're starting to create here. The reason our stops are up here is because if you start to break this structure and start to push back up, that's when the trade becomes invalid, and that's where we want to get out, right? Hey, no toxicity in chat, man. We don't tolerate toxicity around here, you know that. First warning, Mr. Tamim. Chat, listen. Whichever way this trade plays out, right? I stuck to my plan. We'll see exactly how it forms. If we take a loss, we take a loss. If we take a win, we take a win. That's exactly how this game works. Sorry, Trendlines. No, you're good, bro. I don't mind you saying I FOMO'd, because you're okay to say that. Just, you know, the D-Riders thing, you know, just don't. But you're good, man. But you have your, you're, you know, allowed to have your opinion on whether or not I took a good trade. That's not a problem at all. Is what it is, brother. Nah, chat. There's nothing wrong about this. I'd take this trade again. If we take a loss, that's perfectly fine. You have to understand, we took 23 trades in a row that we won recently, I think. Either 22 or 23. Right? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24, chat. So we're kind of due a loss at some point, right? I'm not saying this will be one. If I thought this was instantly going to be a loss, I'd be out of the trade right now. I still think you can continue down here. What's good, Mia? Good morning. That was clear and a confirmation was made. Just the buyers may be in control. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, man. We'll see. I think we saw max like 4 pips. Not today. I'll call Jerome down. Yeah, call Jerome. Tell him, oi. Just go downwards, please. He'll be like, fine. Push that shit down. How's it going, Mia, though? Good morning. Yeah, if you can close bearish on this 5, we should be good. Okay, chat, listen, drop a like if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys for pulling up to the stream. 15-minute coming down. If you can re-break the lows, that'd be great. That'd be really, really nice. But we'll see what happens here. You do need some bearish closures first. I'm good. I'll be watching the stream when I can. Just quiet. Nah, all good. Hope you're good. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Five reflipped. I'll be honest, chat, that doesn't look the best for us. The only time I'll start to be a little bit concerned is if we start to break these highs here. I'm out with -6 pip loss. My broker has a huge bottom wick on that 15. I don't like it anymore. Bro, that's so weird. I don't know why your broker has that. 9 pip wick, I swear. Does it have it on anything else? No. Oh. Yeah, you've also got 30-minute close here in 5 minutes, so that's going to give you something that's very important, right? Hopefully the 30-minute can close bearish. If it doesn't, we might look to try and get out off a bottom wick. If we're still in, right? Ah, Dominion, that makes sense. Why are you trading with Dominion, bro? I'm playing, bro. Trade with what you want. Okay, chat. 5-minute close doji. Interesting. Going up. Sorry, bro. Yeah, maybe. You don't have to say sorry. I'm chilling. Sent you a pic on Insta. Let me see this shit. Why can't I see it? Instagram. That's so weird. I can't see it on my PC, but I can see it on... Oh yeah. Big wick. Weird, man. Is what it is. Just wanted you to keep that win streak, but it's not about that. More about making profits and minimizing losses. Yeah, 100%. 100%, bro. I want to see how this 30 closes before I do any sort of management, right? You got 3 minutes till that happens. If it does close bullish, then I would say yes, most likely we're going to continue to come up. However, if you close bearish, you could be chilling here. I'm just looking at this structure right now. Essentially, on the 5 minute, on the lower time frame, you do have some bearish structure. Right? Okay, not anymore. I guess you broke that structure. I'm going to wait till the 30 close, though. You might get stopped out before that, but listen. Is what it is. Just a part of the game. I know some people are super happy right now. It retested the bullish FVG on the 5 to 15 minute time frame. Going up from there. Yeah, fair play, bro. Let's see. We'll probably manage in about 2 minutes here, chat, depending on how we close. But yeah, most likely we'll manage here. I want to see if we can start to reject based off of these levels, like these highs here. If you don't, then fine. Most likely, if we can grab a bottom wick, we'll look to manage. Either way, chat, it's going to be a 25 pip loss maximum, right? We did 100 pips last week, so I'm not concerned about that. Can't complain, lol, trust me. Much love, brother. Big ups and keep doing what you're doing, man. We'll rise, you'll see. I appreciate that, bro. It means a lot. Thank you, Lennon. 6.7 pip loss. Yeah, you managed well, Catalin. You managed well, bro. Congrats. Interesting rejection, though. Interesting rejection, chat. Doesn't mean anything though, chat. Don't get excited, right? Don't get excited like, oh, it's gonna come back to be. It probably won't. Oh, we'll see, but if you close doji or bearish on the 30, we'll stay in, right? Otherwise, we'll probably look for a bottom wick and then try and get out there. No sig in the sig channel? Oh shit, really? Oh fuck. Well, Matt, it's kind of lucky, eh? Kind of lucky. That's actually so funny. That makes me happy. It makes me happy. The signal didn't send. That's so good. I don't know why I didn't send, to be honest. I've got no clue why. The bot should be hooked up, but there you are. I guess the guys in the signals got lucky. Oh my days, chat. The 30 closed, no top wick. Chat, if we don't get stopped out here and it flips, we could be chilling. It actually might be alright. Unless it breaks the highs, chat. Chat, if this 5 minute flips, I'm gonna have a sell stop on it though. Oh shit, I didn't get a chance to do it. Chat, I'm gonna take a sell right now. Just another one here. Based off of the fact that this is one of my sample size position plays. 5 minute close, no top wick, right? Oh, sorry, the 30 minute close, no top wick. Our stops on that next position at 8 pips, okay? So, bro, did you see that? It flipped so quick, I didn't get an opportunity. Stops on that next position are like, yeah, 9 pips. But I do believe you should be good to come down a little bit here. Let me put my stops in. Why was it not letting me put my stops in? That's weird. That MetaTrader noise is crazy. Yeah, I do have a group, to be honest. I do. Can you push down here, though? 1 hour flipped. I want to see if we can push down just a little bit further here. Let's see. This is the sample size play I've been working on, right? If we got a better entry, we would have got out of BE, yeah, but it didn't. I actually didn't get the best entry. We get a link to that group. Yeah, warp.com/trendlines, right? Warp.com/trendlines. Let me send it in. I need to fix the command on that, but there you are. I want to see if you can push down here. A little bit further is all we need. You can just break the lows one more time, you should be good. I'm going to close one of my positions here at break even. Okay, cool. So we got out of that position there. You're probably going to rip down a little bit further, but for Monday, I'm taking that, chat. We'll take a break even. I'm going to close full there on both positions. So we actually hit, what, -6 on one and then +7 on the other or something like that, +6 on the other. W's, chat. W's, man. Closing full there on both positions, actually at break even. So, yeah, that's... Oh, wow, it's going to rip here. But there you go. That's the position I just took. That's how you manage a trade, man. Yeah, you're right, Joe. I appreciate it, bro. You're probably going to rip down here now, which is a little bit tough. But there you go. That's exactly how you manage that. I don't mind that whatsoever. I'm completely happy with taking that trade, taking that break even. And yeah, it literally is what it is. If this runs, it runs. I don't care. But chat, congratulate yourselves. Bot didn't copy trade. I know, bro. I know. That's fine. Yo, chat, the sample size play, though. Look at it. Look at the sample size play. That was clean. Clean. I was just a bit worried about these rejections there. But chat, W's anyway. That's a break-even trade right there. Don't feel bad that you didn't hit a Hail Mary. When it makes sense, you get out. Yeah, bro. Jar's exactly right there, chat. That makes sense for us to get out. For any... But, like, you know, all we know, that could have just ripped back up at any point. So, yeah, congratulations for that one, chat. I literally... That sample size play did save us there, to be honest. I mean, we would have got out anyway just now in profit. Jesus, it's ripping. But yeah, that's the W either way. $5 profit. Let's go. Huge. Dylan didn't take pineapple, almost BE. Good stuff, bro. Congrats. You should be BE by now, no? I think it's going to rip down, though. Truly. That 30-minute no-top wick, chat, absolutely saved us, bro. I'm not being funny. But there you are. So, chat, let me add this to the record. That makes it a 9 Bs. Gold buys. Gold sells BE, my bad. What's the first thing I need to do when I sign up for coaching? Nothing, bro. Just pull up to the meeting, link your Discord, and then you should get automatic access. But yeah, chat, listen. I wanted to see what we did there. Congratulate yourselves on that one if you managed well and stayed unemotional. Yeah, lock in is the first thing you need to do, exactly. Yeah, you should be good to go, B. You didn't take it. Yeah, no, you're good. Chat, exactly why we managed, right? Because at any point this could have flipped. Yes, we saw probably like 10 more pips. So you probably would have got some profit out of it, but at the end of the day, I'm not all about the profit, you know. If we're essentially coming, how far away from stops did we come here? 3 pips away from stops, chat? Came 3 pips away from stops. And if you get to that point, and then you come back and you hit, you know, you get to break even, in my opinion, it's never a bad thing to close. Now, your strategy might tell you differently, but in my opinion, it's actually not a bad thing to close at that point. I think you've got to understand and got to be aware of capital preservation being your main skill. Like, realistically, the main thing you have to do as a trader is preserve your capital. Otherwise, what's the point? So, that being said, chat, that's going to be the stream for me today. I think that was an absolute W stream. I essentially, bit of a mindset into how I manage trades. How long have you been trading? About, well, in Forex, about a year and a half. And in overall, like 4 years, at least. Coming at 2,600 this week, maybe. Maybe. What's good? Annette, welcome. W's, thank you. Chat. Any questions you've got before we dip off? I think that was a clean trade. The pineapple's completely clean. I just wish we got time to enter a buy stop. You heard the, like, what's the MT5 noise that goes like, bang? It was like that. Because by the time I clicked buy stop, or sell stop, sorry, the price was already below it, and it wouldn't let me do it. So, yeah, I was unable to do that, but we did get an entry like around here, 25.87, which allowed us to get out at break even. And yeah, realistically, chat, that's all you can ask for. That's all you can ask for, if I'm honest. Which strategy do you use? We use support and resistance, we trade breakouts, price action, etc. So I've got a whole free course on it on my YouTube. If you want to go check it out, it tells you exactly the course that the strategy that I trade. Otherwise, jump in the Discord. Chat, we have a completely free Discord, right? If you are new, make sure you jump in that Discord. And yeah, come learn, come ask any questions in there. I'm always active in there. So yeah, man. Are you going to stream New York? Yes, chat. I'll be streaming New York in about 2.5 hours time. So yeah, make sure you go and pull up for that. Subscribe if you're new, all that good stuff. And let's play the pixel letters and we'll call it a day, right? Call it a day. I do want to see, actually. Yeah, it was exactly break even. I paid some commissions, but it was literally exactly break even, which is funny. Alright, W. So sad that the signal didn't send, though. I mean, not sad. I guess it's good, actually. But chat, you know what that means, right? You know what that means? The streak continues. The streak continues, man. 25 now. 25 trades. Unbeaten. I made 10 bucks. Ah, there you go, man. That's the most important part. £14, mate. Wow. I think I made £6. £6. Something like that. Exactly break even. Like 0.1 of a pip up, I guess. Chat, what's the word here? Someone help me out. Half a pint where you come from, that, bro. Yeah. Just about, mate. Couldn't get a Guinness for it. Chart? No, yeah. Chart? No A either. Yeah. I have no clue what this word is. What could this be? Is it got to be a U second? Shrub, right? Shrubbery. Yeah, man, that's it. W's, chat. Bro, chat, you guys have to understand as well. Just something quickly. Oh, shit, it is ripping here. The fact that we didn't take an L there is the same as taking a bigger win. Do you know what I mean? Like, if you save yourself 20 pips, that's the same as taking a 20 pip win a little bit later on. If that makes sense. I don't know if that does make sense, but essentially, yeah, capital preservation. Right, lunch on me, bro. Crazy. Shit dropped as soon as I closed, obviously. Yeah, that's always how it works, man. Always how it works. Chat, I tapped the advantage point though. So you definitely need to be risk-free or closed by now. Noodles, bro, you bring the water. Crazy. Chat, someone help me with this word. What is this word, man? Gamma? Yeah. Come on. What do you guys know about securing the coin? Any certain man know about securing the coin? Coin. I really hope someone gets that reference. Yeah, Belly's a good guess. Yeah, shit. Well done, Jaron, Matt. Coin. Alright, man. Chat. Bro, that video was making me cry last night. Elaborate on said reference. I'll just show you the video. This, bro. Such a fucking funny video. I don't know why I've got Domino's ads. I'm the last person that Domino's should be advertising to. This.
You've been out all week, busy, working hard, securing the coin. Only certain man know what I'm talking about when it comes to securing the coin. You just feel like you've earned it. You feel like you deserve it. Come on, then.
Bruv, that made me cry the first time I saw it. It was so funny. Go on, then. SG is the Mayweather of trading. Win streak is alien. I appreciate that, bro. Means a lot, man. Although, yeah, true. That's crazy, Matt. One too many neckos for JJ. I know, bro. That's a tough one. That's a tough one. Yeah. But listen, chat. Here we are. That's going to be it from me. I'm going to see you all back in New York session. Ready to secure some dubs again, chat. Ready to secure some more dubs. So congratulations if you took a win on that trade. Realistically, you could have closed with an absolute screamer of a profit there if you held and took the pineapple. Otherwise, chat, yeah, peace out. Much love. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Coin, 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 coin.